So I got sent over this golf hitting mat set. Has a dartboard on one side and like a golf range on the other side. When the weather is rainy and cloudy and cold like it is right now, this would be nice to have. Let's get it opened up and see what we got here in the box. Oh, we have some darts that come shooting out at us. Have some stakes. If you're going to use this outside, you could stake it down on the ground to keep it from blowing. And not real sure what this is. Oh, okay. This is just your ties for your stakes there. Be great out in the backyard when it's not rainy and cold. Be some good outdoor activities or in your house. Have a dry erase board for a scoreboard. We have a carrying bag to put all of it in. Ah, we have some little putters there. Cool. Golf clubs. There's two of them. They don't feel real heavy, but they're not real cheap feeling. Get one of them opened up and check it out here. Just screw that together. Kind of cool. Oh, wow. Wait a minute, what is this? Oh, okay. Have our little putting mat here. Set your ball on here and use this to putt off of. Tee box. Wow, this is big. Kind of feels like a Velcro. Oh, okay. Our little golf balls here. Has Velcro wrapped around them to stick to this. Kind of see how that's going to work. Oh. The darts will have the Velcro on them as well. Let's get this thing put up and see what it looks like spread out. Okay, as you can see, we have the dartboard on one side, and then on the other side, we're going to have the little putting range here. We're going to get it hung up over here, and we're going to put it on the putting range side. So let's see what it looks like in just a minute. Okay, we have our little putting green. Let's see if we put it right there. Put our ball on right there. Oh, how's that? Oh, that wasn't too bad for a first timer. That's kind of fun. It sticks to it really well. See if we can get it up there in the 100. Oop, didn't do so well that time. Let's try that again. Yeah, kind of in the rough, but it's close. I will say one thing. These clubs are a little short, but you could probably, if you have regular golf clubs, you could probably use them just at half force. You don't want to bust these little balls. They are plastic with just the Velcro taped around them. Look at there. We got close. Not too bad. Let's try the dartboard. We might have better luck at that. Tell you what, that is a big dartboard. Now it does come with 10 darts. It comes with 10 green ones and 10 red ones. We only need 3 though. Not real heavy, so I don't know. I might have to scoot up closer. Whoa, how's that? Uh-oh. I guess that one didn't count. That's not too bad. Those stuck really good. This one, nothing wrong with it. It's just my accuracy, I suppose. Hey, if you like this, there is a link down in the description to the Amazon product page where you can order yours today. Try that one more time. Oh, getting worse. Oh, look at that. Not so good on that one. Got a bullseye anyway. This is great entertainment for when the weather is bad, I'll tell you that. Look at that, 2 bullseyes. I am ready for tournament play now. Just joking. Hey, this is really cool though. I do recommend this for folks that like to do activities such as this, especially when the weather's bad. Wintertime's coming up. Set this can be set up in a bedroom up on a wall. I just happen to have a background stand that I could hang it on, so that worked out really well. You might pick up a little cheap one if you was wanting to do something like that, or you can just stick it to the wall. It does have these little loops on it. I don't know if you can see them from there, but you can put them up there with a nail on the wall. I don't think thumbtacks would hold it because this is a pretty heavy material. It has them on the sides here as well. Just notice that. And the bottom. So you could get it mounted up on the wall. Really cool. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you might make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.